But why just stick with grants? And like, why you don't like do like business credit?
When I had my mentorship Pink Print Posse, I was getting those girls so much funding. I would check back in with them like 3 months, 4 months, and they'll be like, we use the money, but they're still not in a better position. They still wasn't making money in their business. So for me, it started being like, is like loans and credit cards really helping them get to the next level if they don't know how to manage the money, if they don't know how to budget the money and like really, use the funding. So with grants, because it's debt free, you don't have to pay it back. I just feel like it's a safer way to get started, even though it takes longer than a credit card, right? You're not going to go and do an application and get funded that same day. Right. It takes longer, but within that time frame that it takes to get the grant, you could be planning, you could be mapping out what you're going to do when you get the money. You could be calling people, like getting your resources together so that you can actually build the business. Like that's the goal.